Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're going to be checking out the Contentos. It's currently being listed on Binance as the COS. And by the way, I trade since 2017, so I do have tons of things to teach you guys if you're new to crypto, or maybe if you're somewhat of a veteran. I would definitely recommend you guys to be subscribed because I would be giving tons of updates, of course, for many other altcoins and the COS Contentos. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out. So guys, the current 24-hour trading volume is at 12 million bucks for the Contentos. It's not a lot, considering that most coins are like anywhere between 100 million to a few $1 billion. So definitely not a lot of trading volume, but things are starting to heat up back from the fall that it had in the previous weeks. So currently it's being traded at 1.8 cents to the dollar, and today it has seen a beautiful 17% rise. So by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to do your own research before you invest in crypto. And let's get into it. So as you can see, this cycle is over. It was over 3 weeks ago, right? A new cycle will begin. We don't know how big it will be, but probably what I'm seeing is the current price point, which is 1.8 cent, is gonna probably try to reach the previous support levels, which were actually at 2.4 cents. So this is definitely what other tokens took as a route. And by the way, for those who don't know what the Contentos is, well, basically it's a content related blockchain. So it's a blockchain based decentralized digital content platform. So Contentos is a blockchain based decentralized digital content platform. The project has raised 31 million bucks via private token sales, meaning ICOs, so initial coin offerings, and is founded by Mick Tsai. And you can check their website. It says the decentralized global content ecosystem. You can have a look at what they do if you're an investor, and they're definitely partner up with tons of very known brands. So this is why I definitely believe in the Contentos blockchain. As you can see, they have Samsung, Origin, Harmony, Theta, Chainlink, Binance. Like, they're huge. They're very huge. So definitely something to look for, and check out their investors. So Binance is actually one of their investors, and then tons of VCs from China. So definitely a coin that has a lot of legitimacy to it. It has been around for quite a while, as you can see. So since 3 years already, and they only have 25,000 followers on Twitter. It's not that much, considering that others have way more in less time. Um, as you can see, they're active, so there are only 2 hours left to stake at the Bitnum official for a high of 85% API returns. And by the way, guys, when they're calling you for stake, they're asking you for your money. Because when you stake, you obviously exchange American dollars for your tokens, and you hope that they actually give you the APYs. So basically, like, it's definitely good opportunities, but I would stay, a little bit careful with a few different tokens and blockchains. Anyways, so let's get back into it. As you can see, it went through a rough ride right here. It finally stabilized and then it boomed. And at this point, guys, a lot of their investors sold all of their coins. Probably they got phone calls from the founders saying, like, guys, let's go of your tokens. It's time right now. And the first movers, they went through it, and it generated the first slump right here that you see. And then others seen it as an opportunity to get in onto this coin, to make a purchase at a discounted 2.4 cents, and they did. And unfortunately, after the pump, it dropped by, unfortunately, twice more. So at this point, it's pumping it again, and it's probably gonna try to look for its support level, the previous support level that was at 2.4 cents approximately. Guys, by the way, if you're extremely bullish on this coin, please hit that like button. I definitely will see the votes. And if you're very bearish about this coin, definitely hit the dislike button. I'm very interested also to know if you believe in this coin or if you don't, and leave your comments down below about the Contentos. So guys, what is my a price analysis for this coin? Well, as you've seen, we've had a breakout at 1.2 cent, and it definitely raised itself up from the ashes onto the 1.8 cents. So as I'm saying, guys, it still has a chance of rising to the 2.4 cent mark, basically having a little bit more gains, but it will take some time. It will take maybe 1 or 2 weeks, but it's still dangerous because this definitely can drop down. And let me tell you why. Let me just zoom in just a bit. Okay, so by the way, this is a perfect coin for flippers because there's a lot of oscillations going on. Okay, so as you can see, it's trying and it's testing itself to try to go. Unfortunately, it will just, drop back to 1.6 probably in the coming day or two, and then it will try to go up just a little bit more towards the 2.4 mark. Remember, guys, when it hits the previous support level, what it might do is it might actually pump just a little bit more and then dump real fast. So be extremely careful at these, at these locations. This is the way that coins behave. And with the 4 years of experience that I have, I've seen this multiple times already. So this is how I'm able to tell you about its behavior. Of course, there are times in my other videos where I'm wrong, but if you check out, there's predictions that are spot on, like the Shiba Inu, the new bid shares, and many more. So, for example, here, guys, if it does bathe itself in profit for the coming days, well, you might want to hold on to it until it reaches the 30 cent. But this is the risk point. Like, you're gonna be the 1%er if you let go of the 3 cent price point, because then it's gonna slump real quick and you might be losing tons of cash. So guys, I'm just curious to know what you think about this whole price analysis. Let me know down in the comments. And by the way, you can book some time with me in the link below, and also you can support me on my Patreon if you like this content, so that I can cranking out way more content for you guys on a daily basis. So let me know what you think. Okay guys, see you in the next episode. Cheers.